Ever had that heart-stopping moment at airport security? You're organized, ready for vacation, and then, bam. The TSA agent gives you that look. Suddenly, your trip is off to a rocky start. Well, brace yourself. 2025 brings a whole new set of carry-on rules that could mean repacking on the terminal floor or paying outrageous fees. But don't worry, I've done the research so you don't have to. I'll break down the 12 new rules you need to know to breeze through security. From new size and weight limits to sneaky fees and bizarre banned items, we're covering it all. Let's get you ready for takeoff. Let's talk smart bags, the ones that charge your phone and make you feel like a travel pro. In 2025, the TSA is cracking down. If your smart bag's lithium-ion battery isn't removable, it's banned from both carry-on and checked luggage. That means if you can't pop the battery out yourself, your high-tech suitcase is grounded. Before you pack, check if your battery is easily removable. If yes, just take it out and carry it with you in the cabin. If not, you'll need a new bag or leave your smart luggage at home. Don't get caught at the airport with a bag you can't bring. Check now. Gate agents won't care how stylish it is. Save yourself the hassle and heartbreak. Check your bag's battery before you travel. Stay ahead of the new rules and keep your trip stress-free. Remember the 311 rule? It's still here, but now the definition of liquid is expanding. In 2025, spreadable foods like brie, peanut butter, and even thick makeup sticks are now considered liquids. If it's spreadable, smearable, or squeezable, it goes in your quart-sized bag. That means your gourmet mustard, fancy jam, or foundation stick all count. Rethink your packing. If you're unsure, check it or leave it, or just buy full-size versions at your destination. Don't argue with security. If it spreads, it's a liquid. Save yourself the stress and pack smart. The new liquid rules are here to stay. The days of giant personal items are over. Airlines are shrinking the allowed size for personal items in 2025. Think small handbag or slim laptop case, not an overstuffed tote. Bag sizers at the gate are now the norm, and if your bag doesn't fit, you'll pay a hefty fee to gate check it. Pack your personal item like it's your only bag for a weekend trip. Be ruthless, ditch the extras, and measure your bag before you leave. Even half an inch too big could cost you. Don't risk the walk of shame at the gate. Invest in a compact, compliant bag. Let your tote bag be a travel hero, not your downfall. Airlines are now enforcing strict carry-on weight limits, often as low as 22 pounds. Scales are popping up at check-in and even at the gate with random weight checks before boarding. If your bag is overweight, you'll pay a steep fee or scramble to repack on the spot. Weigh your bag at home with a luggage scale. Pack strategically. Wear your heaviest items and cut non-essentials. Don't get caught off guard by new weight rules. A few ounces can cost you big. Weigh before you go, or pay the price at the airport. Flying now means navigating a maze of hidden fees, especially for carry-ons. In 2025, some airlines charge a carry-on guarantee fee, pay up, or risk your bag being gate-checked if bins fill up. Even personal items can trigger fees if they're too big. Ultra-low-cost carriers are especially strict, charging on the spot for oversized bags. Always read the fine print on baggage policies before booking. Look for details on boarding groups, overhead bin space, and guaranteed carry-on spots. 10 minutes of research can save you a fortune in surprise fees. Don't let airlines nickel and dime you. Be a baggage policy detective. Outsmart the system and keep your money. In 2025, TSA wants all electronics larger than a phone. Laptops, tablets, e-readers, cameras, out of your bag and in separate bins. No more stacking devices. Each gets its own space. Expect longer lines and more chaos at security. Use a tech organizer for easy access and quick repacking. Do a mental checklist before leaving the bin area. Don't risk losing your gadgets in the shuffle. Organization is your new best friend. Practice your routine now for a smoother trip. Snack rules are changing. Spreadable or creamy foods like hummus, yogurt, and canned tuna now count as liquids. Only dry, solid snacks, crackers, granola bars, whole fruit, are hassle-free. Pack snacks in a clear, sealed bag for easy screening. Dense foods can trigger extra bag checks, so keep them accessible. Buy liquid or spreadable snacks after security. Don't let your favorite treat get confiscated. Stick to simple, solid snacks for stress-free travel. Snack smart, travel happy. Duty-free shopping isn't as simple as it used to be. In 2025, if you have a connecting flight, your sealed duty-free liquids may be confiscated at security, even if you bought them after security at your first airport. Only buy duty-free liquids over 100 milliliter at your final airport before your last flight. Don't risk losing expensive souvenirs at a connection. Plan your purchases strategically. Direct flights, shop away, connections. Wait until the end. Save your splurge from the trash. The TSA's banned list is always changing. 2025 brings new surprises. Powders over 12 ounces, like protein or baby powder, are now often banned from carry-ons. High-powered laser pointers and avalanche rescue backpacks with compressed air are also out. Don't assume you know the rules. Always check the TSA's What Can I Bring One page before you pack. It takes 2 minutes and can save you a major headache. Stay updated, stay compliant. Avoid last-minute surprises at security. Know before you go. In 2025, airlines are monetizing overhead bin space. You may need to pay extra to guarantee a spot for your carry-on. Didn't pay? You risk having your bag gate checked, even if it meets all requirements. Compare total costs when booking. Cheaper fares may hide extra fees for bin space. If keeping your bag with you matters, pay for the guarantee or early boarding. It's frustrating, but it's the new reality. Don't get caught in the overhead bin Hunger Games. Pay to play, or pack light and hope for the best. Airlines are piloting mandatory tracking for carry-ons in 2025. You may be required to use an airline-issued RFID tag or register your bag in their app. It sounds helpful, but it's more data and another hoop to jump through. Forget or refuse, and you might not be allowed to board with your bag. It's about efficiency and control. Be ready for more tracking and less anonymity. Stay informed about your airline's policies. The future of travel is more connected and more monitored. International carry-on rules are diverging fast from domestic ones in 2025. International airlines are strict, weight limits as low as 15 pounds, smaller bag sizes, and no wiggle room. Your go-to domestic carry-on may be too big or heavy for overseas flights. Always check every airline's rules on your itinerary and pack for the strictest one. Write down the limits and measure your bag before you go. Don't assume all flights have the same rules. Last-minute surprises mean big fees. The world of travel is less standardized than ever. Be your own expert. Pack smart for every leg of your journey. That's a lot to remember, but you're now ready to conquer 2025's travel rules. Preparation is everything. Check your airline's policies, weigh your bag, organize your electronics, and double-check your snacks. Travel should be about adventure, not baggage drama. With these tips, you'll glide through security while others scramble. Don't let new rules ruin your trip. Embrace them and focus on the fun. Check out the links below for travel deals and more tips. Thanks for watching. Travel safe and see you on your next adventure.